want to show some sample here in the cake website. The sample I want to show is this one. It's about the new feature called nullable pointers. So what nullable pointers? I have added a new qualifier optional. When we use this pragma nullable enable, what happens is every pointer with the optional qualifier can be null, and without the qualifier the pointer cannot be null. So this is the default. In this sample here, I want to start showing the case where name can be null. So here on this initialization it's fine, 0 name can be null, and here this function can return null, it's also fine because name can be null. And then we call this function here that by the contract says name can be null, and free function also accepts null, so everything is fine and no warnings. But let's say we want to create a new function where name cannot be null. This is the normal case. Let's say for this object, after construction, the normal case will be name not null because it's necessary, required. So I will change the contract now. Name cannot be null anymore. But doing this, the compiler will complain at this initialization. To fix that, we can add the optional qualifier here, and this is similar of what happens with const qualifier. For this particular instance here, name can be null. So here it's fine and here it's fine. But calling destroy, this is not fine because the contract here is name not null, and name can be null here. To fix this, we can add the qualifier here as well. And what happens here, name can be null, but this is not a problem because free accepts null, so everything is fine again. But let's say we want to call the function f now. Calling f, we see the same error again we have here, but in this case we don't want to accept null like the destructor. So what we can do here is to check name before calling the function. Now, because here name cannot be null, the contract is fine. We are calling a function where name cannot be null and everything is fine, and we don't need to worry about adding asset like name not null. This is not necessary because it's checked, it's part of the contract. So I believe this will be the common scenario where during the initialization we may have an incomplete object because we are creating parts of this object. So it's also normal to have a destructor that accepts partially created objects. Let's say I have more pointers here and one of them is null, and I can continue, but I can destroy the pointers I already have. But even having this incomplete object, we cannot use it in the wrong way. We cannot call a function not following the contract of that function. So it's safe, this mode, and the common scenario is also having a lot of functions like this one, where the name cannot be null or other types of pointers. And of course, it's also possible to have a mixture, like, and this one can be, let's say this one can be optional, so this is not a problem, and this both will be optional here. And so what happens now, and then I can show also the ownership. I have added a new member here, but this can generate a memory leak here because I forgot to destroy this one. So here I need to destroy surname, and this is fine. And this is not a new feature, but just to explain what happens here. Here we have a move of this object to this one. So now this object here is the owner. And the common scenario is when we use pointers, then we can do the equivalent code like this and use the address here. And we just need to fix here. Okay, so this is the sample I wanted to show. It's online, and you can also play with this new feature. And I have more samples here, but it's a work in progress. I still fixing a lot of samples and creating new ones. Thank you.